All right, welcome back. So another challenge activity for code.org. This one is keyboard input, and this one is responding to a single click. So if you notice here, we have if the key is down, we're going to go ahead and add to the clicks. So if we run this, and I just hit the space, you can see that those go up. Now the one problem with this is, if I take my finger off the space bar, it's not catching it very well. See how I only pressed 1 and it does like 3 or 4, right? It's very not responsive. So we want to use the key went down where they just did key down. So we're going to remove this one. And then it should be, instead of the up, we want to select space. And it just says the block key went down will only give a point for new presses, so it's a better choice for the program. So we're just going to change that. And you can see that works way better. Okay. So that's really the only thing you need to fix with this, is to change this key went down as opposed to key down. Okay. I would imagine with the key down, what is happening is the moment that key is moved down, it starts counting it and impacting this if. Where key went down, it has to be if it goes all the way down. Okay. So this is how you make that work. Just pretty simple. Just replace that block with this one. And then there's going to be some add-ons to this here in the next videos, but we'll talk about those later. All right, hopefully that helps you with your coding, and good luck.